think the line should flow seamlessly from the A-pillar.
Yes, that connects well with the rear haunch.
Every car begins as an idea, a simple line on paper.
The safety requirements analysis for the electric sedan looks promising.
Yes, but the customer needs data still leans towards the backers.
The safety requirements for the SUV are critical based on this data.
If we adjust the sedan's aerodynamics,
We need to reinforce the suspension mounting points here.
The airflow simulation shows increased drag if we widen that component.
This frame will carry every journey.
From imagination to the open road, Paffernu. This is how a car is born.
From imagination to the open road, Clickable. This is how a car is born.
Now, the car becomes a place for people, not just a machine.
A modern car is powered by code as much as by fuel.
Every detail matters because safety has no shortcut.